Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict people on Instagram through iOS. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to restrict people on Instagram. Moving forward to the video, open your Instagram app. Go to the search bar that is in the bottom left corner. Tap to search bar and search for the person you want to restrict. Tap on the person's name. Then on the top right corner you can see 3 dots which represents option. Tap on options. Here you can see restrict, block, report, hide your story, remove follower, copy profile URL, share this profile and cancel. You add someone to restricted list, you'll still follow each other but they'll not be able to see your posts and your stories, as well as you cannot see their posts and stories until and unless you search their profile. To restrict them, tap on restrict. Now you have restricted them. Tap on dismiss. Now they'll not appear on your DMs, you cannot see their new posts and stories on your feed. They cannot see your posts and stories on their feed. Now to remove them from restricted list, go to the search bar again. Tap on the search bar. Search for their profile. On the top right corner, tap on options. Then simply tap on unrestrict. Their account is unrestricted. This is how you restrict and unrestrict people on your Instagram. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.